last week on Chainsaw Man.
Damn, I didn't even see the gun. Holy shit, is that for real? There's no way. Wow. Snake? Oh! I'm about to walk. I'm about to walk, man. What in the fuck? What is going on, you guys? It is your boy Omzy here. Welcome back to another episode of Chainsaw Man. If you guys saw last week's episode, oh my god, I don't even want to really talk about it a little bit because I'm still kind of, even though it's been really the longest week of my life a little bit with that episode, and it's just been nothing about what everybody's talking about. It was honestly one of the most shocking anime episodes I have ever seen. And I've watched some pretty crazy anime, but this just specific episode, I've never seen anything like it. Now, the rest of however many episodes we have left, I have no idea what's going to happen. But yes, if you guys for some odd-ass reason missed it last week, Himino is dead. Makima is dead. Probably the rest of the freaking 4th division is dead. We don't know who else is left. We know that Power is the only one kind of still there. We don't know Aki's condition. I do still think Denji is still alive, but we don't know what's going to happen. We just don't know. But the one thing I definitely can say, we got introduced to 2 new characters, and it looks like they're going to be a prominent role in whatever final arc is going to be in this season. And one of them was Katana Man. I didn't know what they originally because I didn't know they were gonna have an actual name for him last episode, but I've been seeing everybody freaking say about it on Twitter and everything. Katana Man. So he looked definitely interesting. He had a really good fight with Aki. That one specific girl, I don't think they said her name, but my god, her power was absolutely insane. So I don't really want to say much anymore. I just want to get straight into this episode because it's probably going to be fucking crazy. Honestly, it's probably going to be freaking crazy. So I just want to shut up, get straight into it. I know you guys are waiting for it as well as I am. So without any further ado, if you guys are new to the channel, you guys like my reaction, subscribe, comment down below, and if you guys want to be notified, I will release those videos. Definitely smash that notification bell. But with that being said, let's get right into the episode. One of the craziest anime episodes I've ever seen. Plain and simple. Himino using her ghost devil, trying to defeat Katana Man, but it just wasn't enough. It's like, yeah, this is boring. Let me just call out my snake devil. God. I don't even know what he's gonna do, knowing that Himino is gone. Knowing that she never got to express anything. Nuts. Absolutely nuts. Look at that shit. Just look at it. I like that we at least got that animation because literally last week, Leave was literally just it didn't even show. The fiend ran off. Huh. She did. I wonder why she ran off. I mean, Himino was gone, but even though she was maybe going to try to take her to the hospital. Oh! With the little strength that she had left. Oh, shit. I was wondering what the hand was doing. But the hand was just going to evaporate or just be gone as well. Oh, shit. I don't know what the fuck's going on. Oh, there's one left standing. I love bad guys, you know. That looks cool as hell, though. Oh, shit! Alright, Mappa! Alright, Mappa! Way to get me hyped! When she activated it, look at, so she lost a freaking nail. Maybe it's like every time she activates it, she loses a nail or something. Aki is lost. One of my favorite scores in here, man, every time. Look at this, man. Let's go, Mappa. Hop in your bag, Mappa. Shit! My God! Okay, where the hell did you do? Aim for that. Oh! Oh, yeah! Fuck him up! Fuck him up! I love this close combat action. It looks really freaking nice. Got him a little bit. Oh, shit. Oh, damn. I thought he was just gonna slice his arm off in general. What's he gonna do? I don't know if he's only gonna sit down. I think he's gonna charge! This motherfucker. Oh, damn! Oh, damn! Oh, shit! Holding him like a champ. I love that. Damn, he didn't give a fuck about his fucking friend. I wouldn't even call him his friend. All the chainsaw people should be dead. God, is that... We're finally gonna get to see the bodies. If they are actually dead. It was like the equivalent of Order 66. Literally. Makima, oh my God, man. I don't think I'll ever get over it. I don't think I will really ever get over it. Seriously. No matter how much they put... Oh! Whoa! 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 Oh, oh, this fucking show. This fucking show. Just like fucking last week. Oh my God. All right. All right, Mappa. I see what you're doing. I see what you're doing, Mappa. All right. We'll go back into it. We'll go back into it, but okay, she's alive. Thank God, which I think probably most of us knew that like killing off this character still, if they would have done that, would have definitely been ballsy, especially with all the other stuff that they've been doing right now. But nonetheless, Makima's alive. She is up. Wow, that's crazy as hell. That is crazy. I want to know how that actually happened. I want you to explain everything. Is this the train? Is Makima just about to step up the train with all the people dead? She's about to walk off that train, bloody as hell. Okay, it is Makima. That's crazy. That is crazy. There was a shooting on the train. If you can't tell by all the blood. This isn't mine. I wasn't shot. Holy shit. I want to see what she's capable of. Come on. Yeah. What does she have in mind? I need some clean clothes. Well, at least they packed them with snacks and shit. I have an idea of what I think is probably going to happen, but I'm just going to wait. God, we better. Like, at least somewhere in this season, we better get an explanation. Like, I wanna see something. Because that entire shit from last episode came the absolute hell out of nowhere. What in the world is on her mind? Look at this dude. Barely able to walk a little bit, kind of, but they have Denji. How exactly is this supposed to work? What? You feel some? Something's... What's going on? Fuck! Oh my god, he got compressed to hell! Shit! Team C hasn't been in contact since... Yo, what is going... She have something to do with crows? I don't know! I don't know! That bitch. Does it really have something to do with crows? What is she doing? Huh. Oh, fuck. Oh, wow. Reports directly to the Chief Cabinet Secretary. Ah, that, okay. Dead? Dead. Holy shit. She's OP as fuck. She's OP as fuck. I have been waiting to see her power. Holy fuck, am I scared. Like, no one is safe. No one is safe. Makima is something else. Oh my god. No matter how far you run, no matter where you go. Oh my god. Oh, that poor lady. Oh, fuck! Wow! Oh my god! It's over. Go home. This is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. And I love it. I love it. Shit. Bullshit power and OP power. We still got no explanation from that either. All we know is that, oh, she didn't get shot. Are they still gonna try to take him? Or is she like, no? Oh, is it? Oh, she's alive! Oh, shit! What actually happened? Oh, Rai got shot in the neck and in the head. Did Kobani go wild? Nah. Oh, no. Hell no. Oh, no. Snake tail. Are we going to see any of Kobani's power? All right, Kobani. Oh! Damn! She is quick. They gotta get the hell out of there if they want to stay alive. Yeah, get the hell out of there. Wow, that's crazy. Damn, she's still shooting. No way she gonna get that point blank. Woo! She can still get a shot off. No, she don't have no bullets left. Wow, that's crazy. Kobani saving Denji. When episodes ago she wanted to kill him. That's crazy. Wow, holy shit. I have so much to talk about. I actually have so much to talk about. And I'm not speechless. Aww. I'm glad that we got to hear that from her. Damn, Arai's really dead. Is she laughing? Apologizing for attempted murder? God, Arai killed right in front of her. Swift and easy, but oh my god, look at her face. Arai! Damn it. This job has already driven you nuts. Or drove you nuts. I'm quitting when I see her again. Mappa, you are doing an incredible job, man. Seriously. This is the best anime of the fall. By far. Look at everybody just walking around. Due to the personnel shortage, will be absorbed into 4. I mean, you kind of really don't have a choice now. Will be under your command, Makima. Damn! I wouldn't want any other person leading me but her. Literally. What's that? My resignation. You're about to get a lot of those, probably. Yeah. So the choices between quitting or getting killed. There's one last thing I'm curious. Did she? No. I'm afraid I can't share. Wow. I have so much to say. Like, holy shit. Let alone about Makima in general. There's so much to say. Look at them. They're like, wait, is there a possible chance that you knew this was coming? Like... That's a shame. Oh my goodness, man. Let's talk. Hey, I'm not gonna lie. I'm about to make a video listening to all these endings. Holy shit, this is nice. This shit hits, man. This shit is hard. I love this. The animations and everything. This is the Makima ending right here. This is it right here. Incredible. Okay, we are starting from the top. Number 1, Makima is alive, which I was really hoping, because still, even from last episode, I didn't know who was dead. Seriously, you could see everybody visually dead on screen, and like I was also saying about the other divisions around, we don't know who actually died. All we heard were gunshots. We don't know who actually died on screen and just everything else. So I like that we got clarification literally in this entire episode. So we do know that Himeno is dead, and that is really, really sad. And I wouldn't say it was definitely early, but it was really, really unexpected. Everything was unexpected in the last episode. You could not freaking tell any of this was going to happen. Like, no, there was no setup, no nothing. Literally came out of nowhere. Nobody could have expected this unless you're a freaking manga reader. But no, Himeno is dead. And that is so sad because she never got to really tell Aki how she feels. And I don't even know how Aki's going to feel about any of this. Aki was still, like, shook at the site when even Katana Man and Chainsaw Man were even fighting against each other. And I just don't know. I don't know where. I believe, because they did say that obviously Power got out of there, but I feel like Power probably took Aki with her. So they're probably maybe heading to somewhere, honestly, probably somewhere secluded. I don't know. But yeah, I was really curious on where Power went. So yeah, she most likely probably took Aki with her. Yeah, Makima. Oh my god. Finally, I have been saying for the past couple episodes, this girl is the most mysterious character in here. That makes her really, really, really good to invest in and really dissect, and really just looking at her, just like dissect what possible kind of character, what she's hiding, what her power is, just anything about the character that they haven't shown yet. Now, in this episode, we've got so much with her, let alone her power. My god, no one is safe. Like, literally, no one is safe. Like, I don't know if it's only like she has to, because I assume that was the reason why she asked for all the convicts. So she has to make the convicts say that specific person's name, and then she has to do the whole hand shit, and then he dies. It, like, not even dies, freaking explodes. Literally explodes. And it's such a broken power. It's the most broken power I've seen so far in this show. And that devil contract, my god, it makes sense for everybody else to be blindfolded, so they really don't know, because that is just next level. Makima is next level. This character is really, really layered when you really look at her, and I just cannot wait to see more of her. That's why it was actually shocking when Makima actually died. Now, I'm really glad that they freaking said what actually happened, but now with everybody else, I don't really know what's going to happen now. And with Makima, I just cannot wait to see more with her character. I love, even at the end with Kobani, it was so sad with everything that happened with Arai. And I love that she eventually came back and helped Denji. And she even apologized to Denji for trying to kill him a couple episodes ago. So that was great. But no, this episode was absolutely great. I don't know if I would say it's definitely my second favorite, because last week was just absolutely insane. It's one of the reasons why, like, it's my favorite episode for just shock factor and everything else. And it was just a crazy ass episode nonetheless. I cannot wait to see the rest of Chainsaw Man. There's so much that I want to talk about, but I'm gonna wait till next week for the next episode of Chainsaw Man. Guys, thank you for watching my video. You guys are excited for the rest of Chainsaw Man, and you guys like the channel, like, subscribe, comment down below, and as always, my name is Omzy, and I am out.